Hey Bubba, hey girl. So today I'm outside here because the monarchs are they're migrating. And you see this one? It's so beautiful. And here's another one. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah. They're so beautiful. They love this butterfly bush. It actually oh, here he came back. Oh my gosh, here's another one. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Y'all, I can't get enough. Look at how many. I have 3 right here. I've never seen so many. So they're migrating to Mexico, and I'm going to take full advantage. Hey, little guy. You're beautiful. You're beautiful too. Thank you for visiting. Y'all get a butterfly bush. They love them. Okay, see you next time.